certificate. Molweni igama ke Mr. Mlive Sydney Simpiwe from kwaSimpiwe Molefe Properties. Again namhlanje silapha ke ne kwi-head office yethu nazi head office sethu. Ufuna sijonge ke services zethu esizofarishayo, i-rentals, xa unento ufuna ukurentiselwa, sales, ufuna ukuthengiselwa indlu, ufuna ukuthenga indlu, uyabona nto. Siyakwazi ukuncedisa ke nabantu abafuna ukuthenga i-developments, i-farms, senza nabantu ekuthiwa zii-pre-qualifications. Umzekelo uya-first time buyers zange wathengana, uyabona nto. Siyakwazi ukukuncedisa ke in terms of ukonyusa iscore sakho, ukwazi uqualify farms, commercial properties and many more, yebo. But the whole essence yalena ke ilento i-video good people is to affirm you, give you assurance ukuba no, this is where you'll find us. Sithethela ke malunga nento esidibene nee-plots, ii-plots ezingapha ya e-Fort Jackson. Nazi office ethu sifumaneke apha, ngicela ubabonise siseBerea, you know, ndenzela uba abantu bakhululeke babe at ease, babonise nje nathi ngeza nangababonise, just take some time babonise, this is where we are, this is where we operate. Sifumaneke apha. You've got any inquiries onazo that are property related, usifumana nje apha number 25 Darlington Street eBerea. Masingene nje just to get a clean. Sifuna nikhululeke ke, you know, asingomavuke enqinisiwe. Sifumaneka beBerea, singaba seBerea. This is our headquarters, yebo. So just come and just have a peek, look or a glimpse of where we are. This is where we operate. Nansi parking space yethu. We've got nice office sethu, yebo lonto. So siyacela ke abantu babakhulule, masithenge ii-plots 70,000 ii-plots, zikhona ii-plots ziyafumaneka, yebo lonto. Ziyafumaneka ii-plots, thenga kungaphoswa. Sisifakile ke ku-social media platforms zethu ii-plots, sisifakile even naku-Property 24, yabo lonto. We are able also to, you know, to do whatever it takes just so when I obey it is, yayiqonda lonto. Come join me. Now, there's any services that we offer. If you are talking about evaluation, rentals, you know, and whatnot, okay, but so siyacela ke masithenge any plots abantu bakuthi zikhona ziyafumaneka plots 70,000. They are 40 by 40, yabona. So ziyafumaneka plots. So feel free ke usifonele, sikhona ku TikTok, Instagram sikhona, Facebook sikhona, YouTube sikhona, Property 24 sikhona, you know. And not only that, we are registered with PPRA, yebo. Siyacela ke kwakhona, we know some of you have got concerns. That's why I send this video. Some of you know yika, abanye benikelwe imali, abanye benarojwa and whatnot, yebo. Sifuna nikhululeke, that's why I send the video, yebo. So feel free. So the moment you tenga, when you will indicate, we'll arrange appointment. If you want to see a farm owner, you know, afford that opportunity. You want to see documents, we'll afford you that opportunity to see documents. And not only that, you will be signing it of sale. Okay, and let's try OTP. Between when I'm taking, Tina, we are an agents, encedisayo ukuba yonke le process ihambe kakuhle. Ziyakhawuleza the process them already plots. There are people are buying. Now we get tenga, you know, we've been getting calls from Cape Town, Siyabonga eJoburg, you know, and other provinces. Siyabulela a positive response, even nakubantu abasilandelayo with social media platforms. Do follow us, continue to support us. We love you. God bless you. Ungasilibala usifonele inamba yam 073-2712-589. Yintoni i-deed of sale? Mandicacise, i-deed of sale yinto etshoyo uba nesivumelwano ngokulegally, i-contract ebophelela umthengi nomthengisi, yabo loo nto. We will be explaining loo nto. And lastly, sizawuhamba in, I think around 3:03 to be precise, sabe segarage namhlanje Fort Jackson. So when everyone on inquiries, everyone of Nukonda, you want to view plots, Sikona South Alapa, maybe latest by 5 o'clock, even at tomorrow Sikona, na Sunday after 2, Sizabe Sikona Pa garage. So Mufunu feel free to phone 073-2712-589. Siantanda, God bless you. Keep supporting us. Sure.